media. Yes, man.
Big shout out to them two funny, Sasha and DJ. Them cop them K2K crazy shirt and them a support the thing. Thank you, no. Big up on yourself, thump up on the thorax.
Because me want everybody for free. Hi, everybody good? As usual, go ahead. Tear up the like button from now. Just mash it up. Mash it up. We are going to start it off hot. And what is a good source of heat? Fire. He went from the dark night to almost seeing the light. Translation, bury me in a three-piece suit. Now this is what confuses me. Chinese people, Asian people, you know, they are usually really smart. Batman is one of the smartest superheroes. He mixed both of them and still managed to do one of the dumbest goddamn things possible. Harry Dagger, big dancehall artist from in the 90s. They put on like a show and perform him latest hit song, Don't Run It.
They put up one night to my hand and don't eat money. They want to be my friend. Abuye!
Where was he performing? Run one place over one part. Abuge?
Abuye!
Hey, you don't know what that means, don't ask me. You don't know what it means.
I want you to start there. I'll say big up yourself. I'm Big Pop. A big girl chat you. Beard it. Beard it.
Opa Jesus gonna help Harry. When you look at it, right, it makes all the sense. The man named Harry Toddler. Toddlers are known for not being the masters of the walking skill. All of them for 2000 artists and want to take note. 90s artists them when them man they go up on stage for work, them go for work. Have them man they know how to mash up stage show.
Abuye!
Hey, we still trying to figure out what projectile was launched. What is this? What was launched by the stage? Honestly to me it looked like whosoever construct the stage, them and Harry. They didn't have something to beef. Harry probably tell them a couple of years ago, say, yo,
come on, back up on that.
and them say, alright, you, I must catch you. I must, you.
Beard it.
Who are Harry good still, you know? Because we all know it could have been worse. It could have happened like this. Now, what you are seeing here is the land sliding from beneath a building of some sort. And one would assume that all forms of life have been cleared of the building and they are just waiting its collapse so that they can begin the rebuilding process, right? Right! When did I do in there? Why didn't go back in there? I don't have a concrete answer, but I think this is why he went back. Right. Yo, brother, I have to go back. What? Why you left? Yo, me left something, I have to go back. Brethren, where you left? Me split tail. What? Brethren, me left me split tail. Bossy, I really want split tail. I can go back for that. You know, say this place out here. Why left me? Yo, me say go on. You know, star. Wait. Ah, see that? Yo, me fight. My explanation seems kind of plausible, not true? No? God. Summertime and the heat is upon us. But the heat is no match for the wits of a Jamaican.
I know some just have to give thanks. Cause I just, the place at in I just go pick up my AC from ATL and I now let it go on good. That go on good, brother. I just go pick up it from ATL. Ratted, man. Inverter. Well, yo, trust me, cool your freak.
You know how them say if there's a nuclear war, right, and the place mash up and tear down, only cockroaches will survive. I guarantee you that strapped to the back of that cockroach will be a few Jamaicans.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, there, boy. Oh, there. Yeah!
We are a nation of people built to survive.
I advise everybody for get one, you know. Stick to your budget, but I will show off.
And when we fall, we shall rise from the ashes like junkers. soul we are called Jankra. Now, let me explain. Explain the bumper. We don't have no Phoenix, so that's why I say Phoenix your mama. Anyways, when we did I say did I lead up to that video, but I see interrupt this. We're a nation of people built to survive. Case and point. When they dance here, I go learn. Like when them I feel all if Einstein did a teaching class, I think they would have learned. They would have learned. I'm telling you, so she drop hard. Look at Marvin's reaction. Marvin look like he see fear life flash before free him eyes. Jump still, slam up in the concrete. And then she just bounce back also gracefully. Like a green coconut. A Jamaica still, that's how we done. If we can't bounce back from our own, we'll bounce back with the help of our fellow Jamaicans.
Cash back man Dio. Buy live and me get born with it. I buy going to school and play coming from school. I buy crossroad and play a veteran when I turn my casual play.
The cash pot struggle, we all know it all too well.
Right now, I stop looking at the blue. See me, I see the clown.
No to blood clap, Barry. I'm going to give you money make you buy back something.
God bless you and keep you, Jesus Christ, who could it be? Thank you, miss. Me never want 100 chicken back and piece of corn.
This video in itself is a cash pot rig. Alright, follow me now. She a gambler, 17, but she never wins, so that's a disappointment. Disappointment that a number 2. And a young girl, 16, but she look all in her face, 36. She get money, 32, but a paper money, 19. She a go buy food, and when you do with food, you put food in your mouth. Mouth a 14. She in a full black, 25. Full black, you wear a funeral. What day a funeral? Dead body, number 3. Yo, Joy, yeah, go buy 24 for me. But I don't know that number then that you just call. Me say go buy 24, me say nothing, man. People, no so the cash pot people and behave.
I lie at it.
I lie at it.
You mad?
And on the note of being mad, 2 brethren, 1 problem.
What you saying now, though?
The man now be a damn taking injection, brother, and the man stinks like a dead dog, man.
You see how me I look on this is that this man is a real friend, and if I tell it like it is.
Man, 40 man, the man can't come in, I don't come on. So how we are ready, you know, but you feel big, man. You stink, virgin. People are taking clothes but making important. Sometimes when they call me there, half naked to block half the man, and the man no clothes.
Again, let me stress, is a real friend this. The man say he left himself half naked, just so brethren can get some clothes sometime. Them something touch my heart, boy, bad.
Brother, you can do better than that, man.
Nah, beard.
Nah, beard, man.
How much is the friend that make you look one right now and send this to them? And let me know for you know me. Yo dog, yo, you have do better, you know? Do better with what? You stink in a virgin, you have to beard, you know? Man, go suck your mama.
So you know him not beard and him not power again?
He beard one time up there in front of you, know and go up. And he might get food and tea and everything.
Jamaicans naturally make the best salesperson.
Cut a figure, good for your kidney and your liver. Them sound the jockey and deliver. Think them clever when them rob the man them treasure. See the while the Bible say you can live forever.
Hold on, a bunting for this, everything right.
Because allow the flitters, them thing I increase your powers, see and take more and slippers. Yo, when my people them there, you for choose, you know. Not no their shows, you know, people stubborn and don't want to move. Always I look for excuse. Next news, you think the car can drive without the fuse. Foot no want to do without the shoes.
And you want to see when you buy something from them, man, you see me?
You have to tell them literal. Them know why you're not do the price. Rasta man, you get dreams and you get vision when you're on your mission. Yo, well, I want to have no change, things start to look strange.
Yeah, them never come out here.
Man, I rhyme for the bread until him dead.
Young boy, turn your attacker. The Bible says that seek you shall find.
Now people send me a lot of videos of other individuals getting slapped. And this is what I came up with for that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. No back shot, no long shot. Face get slapped, we make it slap. We make it slap. Face get slapped. We make it slap. Face get slapped off clean.
liar.
That is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Remember, tear up the like button, subscribe, share. Thank you for your video suggestions. Thank you for your video submissions. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.